This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Frank Trigger. Lovely home with garage in a perfect location just a few miles from the ocean front with just the right amount of charm. This move-in ready home welcomes you with abundant natural light shining in on the real hardwood floors and open floor plan that has been meticulously cared for. Recent updates include new fence, dishwasher, carpet, paver patio and whole house painting within the last 18 months. You will love this great location and adorable craftsman home with the perfect amount of yard space for entertaining and gardening. The first floor provides open living spaces, while the second floor gives you 3 spacious bedrooms all with walk-in closets, one of which is the primary bedroom, 2 walk-in closets, with ensuite featuring an oversized soaker tub and walk-in shower, another with French doors to a quaint balcony for enjoying a cup of coffee, and a book while soaking in the sunshine. Also features a dual HVAC system. Come fall in love with all that this unique property has to offer. For more information,